Okay, Tommy, I'm going to check your test, okay? Let's start with exercise 1, art, biology, drama, geography. It is all right. Number 2 is everything. Okay, very good. Number 3, it's perfect. Okay, very good. Let's see. Number 4, I haven't seen you since last summer. Perfect. I haven't gone to the swimming pool since my birthday. I haven't done exercise in years. I haven't played. I have played football for a long time. Perfect. I haven't been to the USA. I haven't been to the USA since 2011. Okay, remember to use the article de antes de los países que tienen siglas. Okay, but it's perfect. Exercise 5. He has been there since last year. It is perfect. We have gone to this school. Not gone. We had been at this school. Okay. Hemos estado en esta escuela. Okay. Desde que teníamos 11. Okay. Number 3, I have had it for a long time. Perfect. She has been a teacher. Perfect, but not she. It is he, the subject. And number 5, they had. Okay, the verb is missing. Number 5. Okay, ellos han estado casados. Okay, married is the adjective, casado. You need the verb in the past participle. Okay, they had been married since spring. Okay, very good. Let's see exercise 6. How long has he lived in Manchester? Perfect. How long have they worked there? Very good. How long have you got? Not got. The verb here is have. Okay? So you have to write here the past participle of the verb have. How long have you had a dog? Okay? The verb is wrong, but the structure is okay. How long has he taught math? The past participle of teach is taught. Okay? It is an irregular verb. Okay? So you have to modify the verb. How long have you sung in a rock band? Okay, that is perfect. Okay, Tommy, let's continue with exercise 7. Number 1 is correct, have done. Number 2, have started is okay. Have you tried? Perfect. Haven't seen. And 4. So exercise 7, it is perfect. Let's see exercise 8. Number 1 is a, number 2 zero article, number 3 a an, number 4 the, number 5 it is a. So it is perfect. Very good. Let's see exercise 9. Number 1 is a and a, it's perfect. Number 2 zero article and the. Number 3 the zero article. Number 4 a, and in the second space you also have to use a. So we had a great time. See, it means that it refers to a good time, okay, or a great time, okay. So you need the article, and in number 5 you have a, and in the second is the correct option, because you are talking about a special shop and not any shop, okay. You are talking about a shop that is on the high street, el que está en la calle principal. You are defining the shop, so you need a defining article, okay? That is perfect. Okay, and the last one is exercise 10. Number 1, it is, the correct option is since, not when, okay? She's my best friend. I have known her since she came to, not when, because if you use when, you have to talk about it in a specific time, okay? And you are talking about a present perfect, so you are not talking a specific time in the past, okay? Number 2 is, let me see, there, it is perfect. Number 3, it is zero article, perfect. Number 4, guess, and number 4, can. It is perfect. Okay, Tommy, now I'm sending you the mark.